Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to start at your Microsoft account. That's where subscriptions live. Once signed in, go directly to Services and Subscriptions so you see active plans. Make sure you can confirm the account email and a recent order date. This speeds verification. Now locate the Xbox Game Pass entry on the list. Don't jump into the Xbox app yet. Once found, click Manage so you're ready for the cancellation options and billing details in the next step. You're in Manage. This is the critical decision point. Click Cancel or turn off recurring billing. Cancel stops next renewal immediately, while turning off recurring billing lets you keep access until the period ends. Once chosen, Microsoft may ask a reason. Pick one so the flow continues. Make sure to read refund eligibility. Some prepaid offers can't refund. After confirming, you'll see the end date for access. Note it, because that's when your Game Pass perks stop. Confirm the cancellation and wait for the confirmation email. Save that, screenshot or archive it, because it's proof. Then double-check the next billing date on Services and Subscriptions so you're sure charges stop. You can also remove the payment method from the account if you prefer an extra layer of protection. If the cancel button is missing or changes don't save, contact Microsoft support right away. Use chat or phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.